Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is for loop Java program. So first is that loops in Java come into use when we need to repeatedly execute a block of statements. Java for loop provides a concise way of writing the loop structure. The for loop consumes the initialization condition and increment decrement in one line, thereby providing a shorter, easy to debug structure of loop. Let us understand Java loop syntax. Syntax if syntax for statement one, statement two, statement three. So code block to be executed and statement 1 is executed one time before the execution of the code block, and statement 2 2 defines the condition of execution of the code block. Statement 3 is executed every time after the code block has been executed. How does a for loop work? Okay, control fails into for loop initialization is done. The for loop jumps to condition is tested. If the condition yields true, the flow goes into the body. If the condition yields false, the flow goes outside the loop. The statement inside the body of the loop get executed. The flows gets updation takes place and flow goes step 3 again. The for loop has ended, the flow has gone outside. So friends, in here I try to discuss for loop. Write down, this is the for loop. And for, how to write? First is initialization, statement 1 initialization condition. Another is updation. Third statement is updation. So this is the for loop. So I am how to do for loop. Okay, initializations. First is condition 1, initialization 1 condition, and then is going to condition 2. This is the number 2 condition. This is the 3 condition. Condition 6 in here, if the condition is if, okay, it is the division in here, it is if true. Okay, if it is true, then it is going to the body in here. Body is, this is the body, and the loop, body of loop, body of loop, this is the body of loop, and statement is executed this way. And if this is going to 5, okay, this way, this is going to 5, okay, this is number of 5, and this is the true, this is the 3, this is the 3 part, 3a is true. And if it is false, suppose false, it is going and statement outside. statement outside the loop. Okay, statement outside the loop, and false and statement outside the loop. Okay, so if it is false, so this is the way of the false for loop. Okay, I am trying to explain for loop structures. This is the for loop. So I hope it is clear, friends, that what is for loop and parts of Java for loop: initialization expression, test expression, and update expressions. Initialization expression is in the expression we have to initialize the loop counter to some value, and flowchart if you will go flowchart. So flowchart will that it is start, and after that it is initializations. Initializations, then condition checking, condition condition checking, and it is end if false. If true, then it is statement, and it is increment or decrement. It is, this portion is increment So friends, let's start our program Java. So today I want to discuss for example Java. So whatever I have to write public class, public class for for public class, for example, public static void. Public static void main main string main string args. So for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10 comma I plus plus. So system dot out dot print system dot out dot print ln I. So run the program. Let's look. Yeah. Now that you see that I want to yes, this type of problem I have already show I am showing it in Java, because 1 to 10, right? 1 to 10 for loop. Okay, same you see that 1 to 10 for loop in here. Okay, in case of Java programming. Thanks for watching.